Good morning. So I woke up to a text from Daejanae, so I'm gonna go ahead and solve this real quick. I have number 9 says g divided by -5 plus 9. I'm sorry, my hand's in the way, is equal to -3. So I see g is being divided by -5, and again, I don't want that denominator. That -5 denominator is ugly. So I'm going to multiply each side of the equation by -5. So I have -5 times g divided by -5 plus 3 is equal to -5 times -3. So I see here I'm going to do the distributive property because I see parentheses. So -5 times g divided by -5 plus -5 times 3 is equal to -5 times -3. And I know that when I multiply two negative numbers, I'm going to get a positive number. A way I like to remember that is when I'm multiplying by the same sign, in this case they're both negative, I'm going to get a positive number. So -5 times -3 is equal to positive 15. And I know on the left side of my equation, -5g divided by -5, -5 divided by -5 cancels out. By cancels out, I mean that equals 1g. So g plus -5 times 3. These are different signs. And this looks a little confusing, but if I put parentheses there, I have g plus -5 times 3. And -5 times 3, they're different signs, so that's going to be a negative number. I have g plus -15 is equal to 15. Now I'm running out of room on this whiteboard, so let me just go ahead and draw an arrow. Hopefully it doesn't confuse you. If I have g plus a -15 is equal to 15, that means I have a g minus 15 is equal to 15. Uh-oh. So, remember, these are different signs now. So I have g minus 15 equals 15. Now you just have a simple one-step equation, and you're going to go ahead and add 15 to each side, because since 15 is being subtracted from g, you're going to add 15 because that's the inverse, and -15 plus 15 is just 0. So now you have g is equal to 15 plus 15, and that's 30. I hope that helped, Daejanae, and if anyone else had that question too. I know it looks a little confusing. If you want to stare at the work, feel free.